Can you make encouragement about sa mga youth na binabawalan ng mga parents mag-church, please? Nako, napakagandang tanong po nito kasi ang daming ganito yung sitwasyon ngayon na yung mga magulang nila ay against sa faith nila. Paano nga ba yan? Anong gagawin natin? Ang sinasabi sa Bible, honor your father and your mother. And in fact, ito yung first commandment na may promise. Exodus 20 verse 12. Honor your father and your mother, that your days may be long in the land that the Lord your God is giving you. At inulit-uli yan sa New Testament, Ephesians 6 verse 1. Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Honor your father and mother. This is the first commandment with the promise, that it may go well with you, and that you may live long in the land. So ano ba ang dapat natin gawin? Susundin ba natin sila na itigil na natin yung ginagawa natin about our faith? Kasi nga malinaw sa Biblia na sinabi, honor your father and your mother. Hindi po, no? Hindi lang po yan ang sinasabi ng Diyos na honor your father and your mother. Alam niyo po ba na sinabi rin ni Jesus na hate your father and your mother? Ayan, no? If anyone comes to me and does not hate his own father and mother and wife and children and brothers and sisters, yes, and even his own life, he cannot be my disciple. Malinaw po, kapag Diyos na ang usapan, God is above everything else. Inulit po yan sa Matthew 10:37. Sabi diyan, whoever loves father or mother more than me is not worthy of me. And whoever loves son or daughter more than me is not worthy of me. And whoever does not take his cross and follow me is not worthy of me. Now, hindi po sinasabi dyan na i-hate or kamuhian nyo na yung mga magulang nyo. We still need to respect them. You just need to understand na God is above everything else. Lahat yang mga magulang nyo, asawa nyo, nasa ilalim lahat yan. So, kailangan nyo pa rin pong makinig sa mga magulang ninyo. At syempre, kailangan nyong i-share yung God's truth sa kanila. Because we love them. At sa ganung paraan, we honor them. Kaya po ang pinakamagandang gawin kapag ang mga magulang po ninyo ay against sa faith ninyo, show them your fruit. No, kung masasakit na salita na yung natatanggap ninyo dahil active kayo sa church, nag-join kayo sa ministry, show them your fruits, the fruit of the Holy Spirit. Live a godly way before them. Kasi doon sila magtataka kapag may malaking pagbabago sa buhay mo. Doon na sila magtatanong kung ano ang nangyari sa'yo. And that's the opportunity para i-share mo sa kanila ang katotohanan because the truth will set them free. 1 Peter 3:15, but in your hearts, honor Christ the Lord as holy, always being prepared to make a defense to anyone who asks you for a reason for the hope that is in you, yet do it with gentleness and respect. So yun po, don't be discouraged kung marami na kayong masasakit na salita na natatanggap sa pamilya ninyo, sinasaktan kayo physically. Sabi po ni Jesus, blessed are those who are insulted for my name's sake. At ang pinaka-best way po para ipakita natin yung pagmamahal natin sa kanila is to share the truth and to share Jesus to all of them. God bless.